Okay, continuing on with my tutorials on Premiere, Encore, CS6, whatever version of Encore and stuff you have. We're going to import the menus. So what you do is, what I do is I go to the menus. I'm going to use one of the pre-composed, thank you John Geddes, pre-composed templates for this one, and I have one set up. It's just I'm going to use a quick zip kit. This is just a simple thing. I'm not going to get into the advanced motion menus this time because I'm just trying to knock this out today. I want to finish this completely packaged up, ready to ship out tomorrow morning. So I'm kind of in a hurry to get this thing done today. So basically I've got a DVD. I'm going to go over here to the main menu SD because this is DVD, it's not HD, and I'm going to double click that, and it's going to bring that menu into this folder because I had this folder highlighted. And all I need is I need this scene selection. I'm going to double click the scene selection, and I also need the special features. I don't need special features because the only special feature on this disk is cutting room floor, and I'm just going to put that on the main. That's cutting room floor. It's just clips I didn't use. I'm just going to put a link to that directly from the main menu. If I had, say, a teaser or a different thing, like a different ending, whatever, if I had different audio or interviews or whatever, I would, if I had several different clips, timelines that I wanted to use, I could use those timelines in the special features thing. But as it is, I have one special feature timeline, and it's this one, cutting room floor. So I can just link that directly off of the main menu. So first we're going to take main menu SD, right click and choose set as first play because it automatically, from my earlier tutorial, it set the first play as whatever this other thing was. Okay, so main menu SD, double click it. Now what I need to do is I'm going to also import an asset, a picture to put in here. So first let's go to import as asset. I'm going to go to the folder where I had her pictures. Let me find a picture. I took a bunch of pictures of my GH3. Just I want to find a nice picture of the couple. This is pretty good. This one's good here too. I could use one of these, or that one of them smiling. See if I have a decent close-up of them. Oh wait, this is pretty good here. The problem is, see, this is long, so I need to edit this and cut it down to this size, and I like that. I like this picture. This one's good too, with them looking away. Let me right click and choose edit. I'm going to edit it in Photoshop. Open with Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to bring this in Photoshop because see how long it is? In the menu you actually have to make the picture square like this in the menu itself. So rather than try to bring this in and do it separate, I'm going to save this out as a separate picture, and I'm going to save it out as a separate picture, and I'm going to make it, close to this size to see what it looks like. So I bring it in Photoshop. I just right clicked and brought it in Photoshop. Now I want to take this. This is a good picture for their cover because they're kind of looking away. I need some space on the top, but I'm going to drag a box down about like this. Let's move them down. Let's move it down a little bit like this maybe. Let's try like that. Edit. Let's go to image crop, and I'll save it out. File. Save for web, which is fine. It's very high. You can see it's a pretty big image. It'll be good for the DVD menu. We're going to click save, and I'm going to call it, let's try DVD. Just going to put DVD menu, DVD on it. And then while I'm still here, let's go back in here and bring that in. Where is it? Where did it go? Let's see. There it is. So we're going to open it, bring that in. Now let's take a look and see if that picture is the right size for in here. Yeah, there you go. That looks good. That's a good looking. See, that worked out perfect. Okay. So then we're gonna. I go over here to the layers. I got to change the, because I don't like the. I should save the main template as change this actual template. You can change the titles and text and everything right in Encore, which is pretty cool. Or you can right click and go to the thing. Let's change this to our wedding movie, play movie, scene selection, special features. We're going to change special features. Let's see, where would it be? Text. We're going to go to special features. Special features text. I want to change that to cutting room. Cutting room. That's a special feature now, right? So now that we got this part done, what I like to do also is put some music behind it, because this actually has a little bit of video in it. So I'm going to import as asset again, and I'm going to go to computer. Let's go to libraries, music. I have some, just some royalty-free stuff that's kind of soft music that plays in the background. Let's go. Songs for weddings. I should have one that I've already set as a 30-second. There's a 30-second clip. Let's see what this sounds like. Perfect. Just some soft piano. I made it a 30-second clip, so we'll bring that in. And now that that's in there as a 30-second clip, what we do is we go to this menu here, go to motion, go audio, and we're going to drag audio to this 30-second clip. Now it plays the audio. So this menu will have the audio from there. Menu, edit menu, color set. Menu default is this red and stuff. We're just going to do automatic. Let me see what automatic looks like. Yeah, automatic's fine. It doesn't actually change colors when you click on it, but at least when you go to the things that you don't need another one for when you click on them. They're fine. So we're going to do that. It's got little diamonds by it and stuff. Okay. So we're going to link these. So link play feature. Link this one to wedding reception begin. Scene selection. Link this to scene selection menu. And this is a pre-composed zip kit, pretty easy to do. Cutting room, we're going to link this to cutting room floor, right? All right. Now we got to go to scene selection. Scene selection, first we're going to do is link the main menu. And we want to go link, where is it? Main menu, default. And then what I like to do is highlight these and choose set name from link. And then I also like to click here. It's got animate buttons already. So I like to take this first chapter. I have a little thing that plays at the beginning of this. I'm going to change it to something else. See, I have a little video dealy that plays at the beginning of this. Why is it doing this again with this 4x3 looking thing? It does that occasionally. All right, I'm going to set the poster frame. Okay, it's under timeline. Set poster frame. I want the poster frame to be there so that when I go to scene selection menu and I drag this first one up, this first one to here, the poster frame's that instead of something completely different, which is crazy. It'll do the very beginning. It's not crazy, but anyway. So you got to link the main menu. Next and previous you don't have to link because it automatically will make them. Because what we're going to do is we're going to make this. I'm going to also set the audio for the background. We're going to do it for that 30 seconds. So this thing loops for 30 seconds and then it loops over. And notice it says begin at the bottom. So now the rest of the chapters are going to be automatically made. So then you go to the first menu, you highlight this menu and go menu, create chapter index. And what it just did was begin the ceremony, procession, vows, and it made 3. See? It made entrance, first dance, the kiss, the reception, cake cutting, toast, dancing, bouquet. See, perfect. So it basically made all this stuff. So now we're ready to, we're almost ready to export it. We're almost ready to go. But first, what we have to do is we have to go to menus, timelines, and we have to set out points for these timelines, end actions. See, if the end action's not set, it'll come up with an error. So cutting room floor end action, I want it just to go back to the main menu. So not return to last menu, I'm just going to go to main menu SD default. That's the end action. When that video gets done playing, it goes back to the main menu. Wedding reception, when that one gets done playing, I want the end action to go to the main menu, but I want it to highlight the cutting room floor button, the cutting room button. So that way it's ready to go. Whenever it gets done, it goes right back to the cutting room button. All they have to do is hit enter on the remote, and it'll start playing this cutting room floor footage. That's it. Now you go to build, DVD image. We got to name the project. It looks like it's using all of it. It shouldn't. I made the file small enough where it wouldn't. So I'm going to check this. I'm going to check this video because I had a problem with Encore the other day where it wasn't making my file 16 by 9. It wasn't seeing them as 16 by 9. I had to reload the files for some reason, and then it would see it as 16 by 9. It was like missing the flag. So I'm going to label this project as I name it Lisa Calder DVD so that I know what the thing is. Also, if you label the project first, when you get ready to make the ISO, you go to wherever you're going to put the ISO, and automatically labels it for you. So internal video, it labels it after the name of the project. I'm just going to put it right there. Check project. It's probably going to say that it's too long. Nope, it's perfect. It's making the menu exactly this right size. It's filling the disk. So file, save. I go ahead and save the project, and I'm going to check these files first. So I hope this helps.